Hi students, in this video we will study how to multiply two binary numbers. So we have already studied how to add two binary numbers. So before watching this video, go through that video, addition of binary numbers, because in the case of binary multiplication we use the addition of binary numbers. All of you know the binary number system contains only two bits, zeros and ones, and the multiplication rules have four possibilities. 0 is multiplied with 0, we get 0, and 0 is multiplied with 1, we get 0, and 1 is multiplied with 0, we get 0, and 1 is multiplied with 1, we get 1. Okay, so these are the four possibilities. So the method for multiplying two binary numbers is we have the multiplicand and multiplier. So first we multiply the multiplicand with the multiplier. If the multiplier bit is equal to 1, then the partial product is same as the multiplicand. If the multiplier bit is 0, then partial product is 0. Then we add all the partial product. Consider the first example, that is 1011 is multiplied with 101. Okay, so we multiply 1011 with 101. So here the first multiplier bit is 1, so the first partial product is 1011 itself. Second multiplier bit is 0, so the second partial product is 0000. Then third multiplier bit is 1, so the third partial product is 1011. Then we add the three partial products. So here 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, then 1 plus 0, 0, sorry 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0 with a carry 1, then here 1, 1. So our answer is 110, 111. Okay. So the binary multiplication is same as that of the decimal multiplication. Next example is example 2. Okay, 1111 is multiplied with 1101. Okay, so here first multiplier bit is 1. So first partial product is 1111. Then second partial product is 0 because the second multiplier bit is 0. Then third partial product is 1111. Then fourth partial product is also 1111. Then we add the four partial products. So here it is 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. So that carry goes to the next bit. Okay, here. So here there are 4 ones. How can you add the 4 ones? That is like this, 1, 1, 1, 1. In this case, we pair the ones and add each pair. So for the first pair, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with a carry 1. For the second pair also, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, carry 1. So both carry goes to the next bit. Okay. So here then sum is 0 plus 0, 0. So here it is 0 and you have two carries that goes to the next bit like this. Then here again 1 plus 4 ones, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, again 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, 0 plus 0, 0. So here sum is equal to 0 and again we have two carry that goes to the next bit. Again here 4 ones, so sum is equal to 0 and two carries that goes to the next bit here. So in this case there are 3 ones, so we first add 2 ones, 1 plus 1, 0, then that's 1 plus 1, 0 with a carry 1, then that 0 is added with 1, so here we get sum as 1 and carry is equal to 1. So our answer is 11000011. Okay. Then another example, Example 3. Multiplication of binary numbers that contains fractional part also. For example, 1011.101 is multiplied with 101.010. Okay. So same as decimal numbers, we multiply the binary numbers. 1011.101 is multiplied with 101.010. Okay. So here first multiplier bit is equal to 0. So we write 0. Partial product is 0. And second one 1. So here it is 101.1101. Then third bit is 0. So third partial product is 0. So fourth partial product is 1011.101. Fifth partial product is 0. Sixth partial product is 1011.101. Then add all the partial products. So here it is 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Here it is 0. 1 plus 1, 0 with a carry 1. That carry goes to the next bit. Again, here we have two ones only. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with a carry 1. That carry goes to the next bit. So here we have in this column 4 ones. In the case of 4 ones, we add the first two ones. 1 plus 1, 0. Then carry goes to the next bit. Then here's 1 plus 1, 0. Again a carry that goes to the next bit. Then the sum 0 plus 1, 0 is equal to 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Then here we have 1, 2, 3 ones. Add the first two ones. 1 plus 1, 0. Then 0 plus 1, 1 with a carry 1. Here we have 4 ones. First add the first two ones. That is 1 plus 1, 0 with a carry 1. That carry goes to the next bit. Then next pair of ones, 1 plus 1, 0. Again a carry that goes to the next bit. Then the sum 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 itself. Okay. Then in this column there are 3 ones. So first add the first two ones. 0 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with a carry 1 that goes to the next bit. Then the sum 0 is added with this one. We get here 1. Then in this column there are 3 ones. Again 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Carry goes to the next bit. 1. So here 1. 1, 1. So this is our answer 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. So in the multiplicand there are 3 bits after the binary point, and for the multiplier also there are 3 bits after the binary point. So in the product there are 6 bits after the binary point. So we place the binary point here. Okay, so our answer is 11110 1.000010. This is our answer. Okay, this is how binary multiplication is performed. Okay, thank you.